I recently got a Swann Indoor Security Wi-Fi camera from a friend, and I thought I would show you a couple of the features and unboxing of the camera. This camera runs off Wi-Fi, so if you have a good strong connection it will run very well. It's good if you can keep the unit very close to the Wi-Fi base. Alongside that, you have the standard features of it being full 1080p, so it's going to be able to see faces and clothing quite clearly. Also, the camera is heat sensing, so that's its true detect feature, which means that it will detect not only motion but heat as well. You find that the camera is quite compact as well, so it doesn't draw too much attention to anybody's eye. Another feature is the fact that you can get alerts and playback on your phone, so you'll receive push notifications, and you can also go into the Safe by Swann app if you need to, so that you can actually view the video footage. So not only that, but the camera has a wide 110-degree viewing angle, and also you'll be able to see in the night up to 8 meters. Now the camera has free local storage, so you can save up to 7 days of short video clips to the camera's built-in memory. But also you could choose to secure it on your cloud storage. So Swann offers a feature so that you can have the camera record footage to the cloud as well, and that will be stored for up to 30 days. Lastly, the camera is speak to see, so that means that you can use voice commands with your Google Assistant and Chromecast, as well as the Alexa device that have the screen. You could say something like, "Hey Google, show me the front door." So in the box, you're going to get the camera itself, a power adapter, some stickers, and also some screws. So it's all the basic stuff that you will need to set up the camera. Looking at the camera itself, what you're going to see on the front is the main camera and a PIR sensor. And at the back you will see a reset button and a place to connect the power source. Also, you'll find that the camera is mounted to the base, and so it's ready to be mounted onto the wall using the mounting screws. And this is the power adapter that comes with the camera. And so when you plug it in, the first thing that you will see is the lights blinking on the camera, and a blue light will start to blink as well. When you see that, you need to go to your Safe by Swann app, and you actually need to connect to the camera so that you can set it up to the Wi-Fi. To do this, you just go into the settings and click Swann Indoor Camera, and from there then you just follow the standard settings for pairing, and this will ask you to basically connect to your Wi-Fi for the Swann camera, which you can see I'm doing now. And then once you do that, you will be able to pair the camera to the Wi-Fi, depending on which Wi-Fi you choose to use. And once the setup is complete, the camera will be working, and it will be immediately ready to detect any motion that's around the area that you've set it up at. So here you can see a live view of the camera, and it just gives you an idea of what you can expect in the Safe by Swann app. Now the camera has two-way audio, so you can actually speak into the camera, and you can actually receive voice from the environment. So if anything is going on in the environment, you will be able to hear it. Hello. Hello. Camera microphone. Hello there.
Hello there.
Hi there. How are you doing?
Hi there. How are you doing?
And in the night, if you want to see what that looks like, this is what you can expect. It's got a reasonable night vision range. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave comments in the comment section below, and I will try my best to answer them.